Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit the like button and press the subscribe button to get the notification at first. You can also press the bell icon to do so. So in this video, I will be talking about top 3 rose water under rupees 300, and these are the really top 3 rose water that you can use in various ways. So without any further ado, let's tune into the video. Rose water have 1,000 of ways to be used. Yes, I mean it. It is like 1,000 ways. But we are many confused that how to use a rose water and what company should we use, because rose is really a very much expensive flower. And one thing I need to clear out, that all the affordable things doesn't need to be good, and there are some good affordable rose waters also that you can use in your daily life. So today I will be sharing with you top 3 in my list, and so let's just get started. So first in our list, I am starting with the most affordable rose water, that is from Badhi Herbals. Badhi Herbals Pure Rose Water, and it says 100% natural skin toner. It is steam distilled face and body mist, improves complexion. Okay, so it is 250 ml and it priced at rupees 145, and it is for all skin types, alcohol free, non-toxic, vegan, paraben free, never tested on animals, and 100% recyclable packaging. That means it have all the good things that one need from the product. In this price range, we are getting a vegan product with all the goodness, and the claims it makes, it's the 100% pure steam distilled rose water or mist rejuvenates, tones and hydrates the skin without any stickiness. It calms tired skin and reduces redness, itchiness and inflammation caused due to overexposure of sun and pollution. It also repairs sun damage due to daily application of makeup and removes the dirt and impurities. Okay, these are the claims that it makes, that you can use it in the face and your body also. And the second thing is the smell. It's really smell like heaven. It have a rose water smell also, a typical rose water smell. Leaving that, it also have a tinge of sandalwood smell. I really don't know that if they have given sandalwood or not. Ingredients here, it's only written steam distilled extract of pure English rose petal and aqua, but it's not written sandalwood, but it smells really like sandalwood. So the spray is like, I do not like the spray. It really smells like heaven. Means if you are pumping it out one pump only, you will just feel refreshed in just 1 minute. Okay, so I really am skeptical about this product because I use it in 3 ways. One, I use it as a toner on daily basis, morning and night. Secondly, I use this toner as a base in my powder packs, and thirdly, I use this as a hair mist. If you want to see all the recipes and all the ingredients that I use for my hair and my face pack, comment down below. I will definitely make a video on it. So the review I want to give of this product, that it's really very refreshing one, and if you want a very affordable toner in the price range of under 200, moreover under 150, then you can definitely try this. And about this improves complexion, that I have really not seen in this product, that it can improve complexion or make you more brighter and whiter. I really haven't seen that, but it's all over a good toner, and I'm giving it 4.5 rating. Okay, so next upon our list we have our Alps Goodness Rose Toner. So this is the packaging, and it says that it is a rose toner that balances the skin's pH level, aids in cleansing impurities and helps in revitalizing skin. Okay, so I have used 3/4 of the product. Yes, so I have used 3/4 of the product, and it is a 200 ml product for 215 rupees with a shelf life of 2 years. Okay, so this product it claims it really do not have any claim. Okay, so here you can see the usage. I really don't know if I can see or what uses, and here you have caution and ingredients. So it really have a lot of ingredients, water, then it also have perfume and colors. So if you are allergic to perfume, I will not recommend this. And moreover, I really like the Wadi Herbals rose water smell is also here. I really love the spray because it evenly sprays in all over your body, and this smell is slightly more, means it's like water only, because other smell is not heavy that it will give you a headache or what, because the Wadi Herbal has really a strong fragrance that will stay on your body for 5 to 6 hours. But this does not contain any strong smell, but it has a light pleasant rosy smell. And the claims, it really do not have any claims that it cleanses impurities, balances skin's pH level. That means it ideal for face toner. If you want to use it as a face toner, it's really ideal for that. And I also used it as a body mist and also as a base ingredient for my face pack. And rose water 4 out of 5 rating, because I'm not sensitive to smell, and if you're sensitive to smell, it's really a boon for you. But if you want a tingling smell that will tingle around you for 6 to 7 hours, then it's not a product for you. But if you only want to remove your impurities from your skin and give you a decent work of a rose water, then you can definitely go for it. These products from Purple app, and you can also find these products on a great discounts there. And the third thing, I have this Good Vibes Rose Toner, which is a bestseller of Good Vibes in Purple app, and it costs 245 for 200 ml. And this smell really like a strong rose, means here the percentage of water is very low compared to the rose extract that can really be felt. But really personally do not like this spray, because it just give one shot of spray in a particular place of your hand and do not just spread out evenly on your face or on your body. This is a higher from the range of the from both the rose water, and it also works in a very good way. It also really just shows my skin, means when I just used it, I really felt that my pores have shrunk, because I felt my skin to be just tightened up instantly by using this product. I used to use this product as a toner and a hair mist by adding some ingredients in that. So again, if you want to see the video, please comment it down. I will definitely make it. So I will give this product a 4.5 rating out of 5, because I really love the product and it's really nice. If you want a strong smell and a strong refreshing smell around you, would be tingling from 3 to 4 hours, then it's very good product for you. But if you are a smell sensitive person, please do not buy this product, because it have a very strong smell and it also works very good. But if you want it, you can definitely go for it, as I am giving 4.5 rating out of 5. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, hit the like button and press the subscribe button to get the notification at first. You can also press the bell icon to get the notification. So stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye. Have a good day.